What's up, YouTube? Listen, Philly, I'm tapping in, guys. I got a jam-packed video for you guys on the day. Class will be in session, so I need you to keep it locked. And let's get ready to have an awesome week and a shortened week this week in the market. We got a 4-day week coming up. So Monday, the market will be closed. So we got one more day. I know it's killing me too, guys. But we got one more day to sit it out. But come Tuesday, I want you guys to be ready to get back in your bag, and let's get back to kicking butt and taking names, okay? With that being said, man, let's go ahead and give some love and some shout outs on the day to those of you that did your thing on the day, or this week, I should say. And I wanted to see this continue into next week. Guys, let's build on top of the momentum, okay? And let's stack small victory on top of small victory. With that being said, man, I want to show some love to my guy Tyree Cobb on today. Tyree, I'm so proud of you, bro, on so many levels. He said, Chris, I finally scored on a SPY put option just now. I was up 40% before I closed out this play. Tyree, major salute. 40% is phenomenal, guys. That's one of the levels I try to shoot for in all of my plays. I always take the small victory, but I'm always shooting for like 30-40%. And I know the feeling, but I don't even know how many contracts you had on that particular play. But what I do know is this: the more you master the game and you get comfortable, and we graduate from 1 contract to 3 contracts, from 3 contracts to 5 contracts, from 5 to 10, from 10 to 15, so on and so forth. That same exact strategy you use to get 40% will be the same when you just add more money, and you will see how your life begin to change and how the money will begin to grow. Guys, fall in love with the base hits and know the home runs will come. With that being said, guys, today I got a jam-packed video for you guys. I taught you guys about the concept of pick 6 on yesterday's video. Today I'm going to teach you bump and run. All right, I want you guys to take some notes on this so you can see how my mind looks at the stock market. Okay, again, I'm a self-taught trader that crushes the stock market, and I don't care about a bear market or a bull market. I have a saying, and I'm gonna get some shirts made for you guys for this upcoming fall and winter. We ain't bears, we ain't bulls, we get money. That's always been my mindset for the past 12 years. I have dominated the market in any condition. The bull market is the easiest, but I love teaching you guys this game, because if you can dominate a bear market like we have been, guys, when the bull market come back around, you're going to be like, is this even legal? With that being said, guys, let's have some fun today and let's get ready to learn. All right, check this out, guys. I have the SPY pulled up. Remember, I told you I teach from the SPY. Also, this is my easy money play as well. It's easy to crush and make a whole lot of money with this. Matter of fact, I can just do the 100K challenge off of this play alone if I chose to. To spice it up, I love to talk about different stocks: Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, stuff like that. But this play alone can get you from 0 to 100K. But with that being said, look at this, guys. This is not today's lesson. I'm gonna teach you this later. Okay, look at where I have this black arrow at, or you can look under at the bottom. This is the 5-minute chart on the SPY. Okay, and look at that arrow. Okay, right above 9.2 at the bottom of the screen, if it shows for you. Okay, I have an arrow pointing because that's a gap up, or what I call a gap and go. I'm gonna teach you that. If not next, it's gonna be soon. I gotta teach you bump and run today. I think gap and go is next, and then I'm gonna teach you guys the woo. Okay, but this is a gap and go. All right, that is something that is a huge money maker when you learn how to do that. Guys, every one of these candles are talking to you and they're telling you something. So at some point I need to teach you what each candle means, what a big candle means, what a boom boom candle is, what the wicks are indicating, what a death cross is, and all that kind of stuff. So you know, you can anticipate the day before, oh, if it closed with this kind of candle, it's going to do this the next day, that kind of thing. But this is gap and go. I'm teaching you guys that next on how to make money off of that, okay? But today's lesson is right here, guys. This is bump and run, and this makes you a killing when you, again, after you have your long-term plays established and you know you got your 125 shares minimum, 1,000 shares max in all your plays, guys, and we setting and forget it with our investments. When you move over to the money getting side of the game, which is trading options, okay, this right here, this whole setup, okay, this is called bump and run. I have it circled here on the chart so that you guys can see. If you see the gap up or the gap and go, you see then it came back down to only bump this line, and then you had massive green candles begin to emerge, and then this thing began to take off. This little move right here, just from where I got it circled just to the top of that green line, is a huge play if you guys were in this to do options. I was actually in this. This is one of my plays. This was the SPY on Friday at 10 in the morning. Okay, 10:05 to be exact. I bought this at 10:05, sold this at 10:15, and made a killing. But this is what I did. This is called bump and run. Okay, so this is for those of you that want to do calls. Okay, I told you every day the market go up and down. That's why it's important for me to make sure you guys know how to make money in both directions. That's why we got the pick six. This is my bump and run. Okay, what happens is, guys, this particular play gapped up and it was en route to $400, but it wasn't 400 yet. It was en route, but I knew, like I told you guys, how we hit the home run. Wall Street was going to psychologically try to shake you guys out. They tried to take this from 396 to 400. So I'm looking like, let me jump on the train en route to 400. Okay, so 397, 398, that's what all of this stuff is here, guys, with this bump and run. It was trying to make its way to 400, but once it got to 400, I locked in my profit because I knew where the ceiling was at. It couldn't get higher than 401. Okay, and then that's when we did the pick six and we took it to the house. Okay, but you can make just as much money without even needing to do all of that with just learning how to play bump and run. Okay, so I have it circled here, guys, but long story short, this is the 5-minute chart on the SPY. And as you can see, it came out the gate, it came down, okay, only to burst back up, guys. And this little move, okay, this little move, when I say these green candles is what I'm talking about, were actually a massive move in the world of options. Guys, make sure that you fall in love with this game, fall in love with these concepts. Okay, around here we got the pick six, we got bump and run, we got gap and go, and we got the woo. Okay, all those I will teach you, I will illustrate for you so that you can see what I see, so you can emulate what I'm doing and you can learn to get consistent results in the stock market. Okay, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into some levels that I want you guys to prepare for this week. Okay, guys, we got the SPY pulled up here, ticker symbol SPY. It closed on Friday down 1% at 392.74. Write this down, guys, because we need to know what we're working with for this upcoming week. Okay, so now the SPY, now that it is down and has closed near where our support level was at 390, is our play. Okay, that's what we are identifying over here on this channel for right now. Every week we're going to have new levels, whether to the upside or downside. Okay, but sitting at 392, guys, 395 is your upside for this coming week. Okay, I want to start seeing if the SPY can get rejected at that level, not go up so high like 399, 400. Start seeing if they not let it get that high. Okay, so look for 395 to the upside for this upcoming week. 396 as a max if I give a give or take. Okay, but to the downside, we want to see a retest of 390, and then I want you to look out for 385 to 388. Okay, write those levels down for me. 385 to 388. That's what we're going to be looking for on the SPY short term. Okay, right here is our 390. Okay, 392. Okay, right here, the top of this right here is 388. I want to see the SPY come back to July 8th level, to the top of where it ended at on July 8th. Okay, matter of fact, it might have it again here on June 27th. Yep, so that level is going to show you some areas of support that I want you guys to be looking out for. Okay, 388. Okay, 385 if it overshoots or if some sell-off comes in, but from 392 to 388 is what I want us to be looking for this week. Ultimately, guys, if it's even in these levels, it's coming at 380. But what did I tell you? Nothing happens all at once in the stock market. They might make it pop back up to 392 again. It's just to pump fake you guys out, only to bring it back down here. That's why we don't guess, we don't gamble, we react. Okay, and then when you have these systems in place, when you know when to do the pick six, when you know when to do bump and run will be this, guys. It hitting 390 and then running back to 392. Okay, once you guys learn how to play that, you guys can make a killing. You ain't even got to just hold the pick six all the way to the house. You can go to the house, spike the ball, and then run the kickoff back. Okay, bump and run. It's possible, it's doable. Check this out, guys. For Apple, for this particular week, I want you guys to look out for this. Ticker symbol AAPL sitting at 155.65. This too came down as low as 154. This is my second time this week. Just like SPY hit 390 twice and bounced, this hit 154 again and bounced back up, this time to 155. So of course I want to see a retest of 154, but all in all, guys, check it out. I want you guys to look for 151 on this, but just in case it overshoot, we just want to make the number clean from a psychological level of 150. Okay, 151.60 is really the target I'll be looking for. So the range would be maybe 157. Okay, to the upside. Write this down. 157 from here to the upside. Apple may get rejected at that level. It might find a lot of resistance and it will get smacked down, similar to SPY getting smacked down at 400. Okay, all of these things go together. So if it can't get through 157, boom, you already know it's at 155. But to the downside, we've seen it test 154 twice now. From 154, guys, I'm looking for 151.60 next. If it overshoots to 150, 150.85, 150.35, something like that, that's a-okay. Just more money for us. Okay, be looking for these levels this week as it relates to both Apple and the SPY. Okay, and of course I'll give real-time guidance, live guidance, day-to-day guidance inside the Discord. So please make sure you join us inside that. Link for that is in the description below. And also, while you're at it, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe, especially if you found value in this video, and help it get at least 2,000 likes. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.